Either if you want to back up Samsung A50 or A30, A51 or A31 before factory reset, then this video is for you. If you want to create a backup of your all the data, all the media that you have on your device, and if you want to reset it after that, then you can just go to the settings. Now you just need to scroll down all the way down and go to the accounts and backup section, where you will find two types of source that you can use to create a backup your data on that sources. First is Samsung Cloud. You can use Samsung Cloud to back up your data, and another one is Google Drive, which will also help you to create a backup data on your device. So you can just tap on this one of these, like I'm going to Google Drive, and where you will find this option. It will sense your account and you can find the space and free space from here. Here you can see it has turned on, that's mean backup by Google One is turned on, that's mean it is automatically creating backup or taking backup from my devices. You can see the last took my data on as a backup on their storage 4 hours ago. So you can also tap on this backup now button to manually backup data on this Google Drive. So that's how you can find some details like apps, like 35 apps. It took 35 apps. Photos and device sensed with Google Photos. If you using Google Photos, it will take automatically backup for your photos and videos that you have stored on Google Photos. Now SMS and MMS, call history, device settings, and Google account data. Now you make sure that you are connected with Wi-Fi or any network connection, internet network connection, to back up data on this section. Now make sure there in this advanced settings you can back up using mobile or Metro Wi-Fi data. You can turn it on to use mobile data or Wi-Fi network, both to back up your data on the Google network, Google devices. Now you can see it has just created backup of my data, the latest backup from here. It will take a little long time. Now you can see the Google, this Samsung Cloud, you can tap on backup data, and Samsung Cloud also can create backup from your all the settings, all the features, all the applications from here. You can just toggle on and give the allowance to create backup from all these applications. Now tap on backup now, and it will create backup on Google, on the Samsung Drive, actually Samsung Cloud. You can see now it will take some time. You can find the percentage here. When the backup data 100% completed, then you can find it has just created the backup, and it will stop automatically. Now you can stop it manually by tap on this stop button. Now you can see almost all the application has created backup. Now we have to wait a little longer to create a backup of the rest of this application, like call log, like home screen data, and the application data. Now from here 6% is remaining. Let's wait till the end. Unfortunately, it may take a little longer, so we are going to stop it right here, but you must need to wait until the backup process is completed. Now go back, and then go back, and now you can find that when the process is all completed, from here you can find it in the notification bar. You can find the completion details, that if it completed, then you are good to go to reset your device. Now you can just reset your device, and just because of you have just created a backup data on your device with Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.